Welcome back to IT Camps. I'm Harold with Microsoft, and in this short video I'm going to walk through quickly how you configure NIC teaming in Windows Server 2012. So with that, let me go ahead and jump over to my demo machine. I am connected to a server called Development, which is hosted in my lab in San Jose by a great partner, Groupware Technology. So this is a Dell server sitting in the lab environment. It's just a lab environment, so it doesn't have a whole lot of stuff going on. But what I want to show you is if I go to local server, you can see I do have NIC teaming as part of that configuration. Right? It's currently disabled, and if I go look at my network stuff, you will see in terms of adapter settings, I've got a couple of adapters that are there. So I'm using CorpNet right now. I've got DevNet, Management, and Open. So let me go ahead, close out of this, come back to the NIC teaming and just click disabled. It is that simple. Now that I'm in the NIC teaming page, what I want to do is enable by creating a new team. So I'm going to call this Harold, let's call it Awesome Team. And I will select the adapters that I want to be part of that team. There are some additional properties that I might want to set. I'm going to go ahead and leave those alone and then click OK. It's going to go ahead and save that, and then I will have a new NIC team called Awesome Team. If I had multiple adapters, I can go ahead and continue to add additional adapters. You can see that mine were 1 gig a piece. Once I create the team, as I start utilizing that team for network traffic, it will get an aggregate of 2 gigabytes. The wonderful thing of, oh, look at that, it came back. The challenge when you're remote desktoping to an environment where you're going to mess with the network adapters is you may lose connectivity briefly, and I did, but you can see that it is back up. And the nice thing is, if one adapter does go bad, the other will pick up, so there's some fault tolerance there. And the fact is I will get now an aggregate of 2 gigabit of bandwidth through that team. So with that, let me go ahead and jump back over to the slide deck and close out. As you can see, the configuration of NIC teaming really is straightforward. It's just a matter of going to the server, and from the local server management pane, go to the NIC teaming location or wizard, and you can add in your NIC teaming. You can delete the NIC teams that you have, and it automatically just starts to work. And I want to call out just a few additional call to actions. Go ahead and grab your copy of Windows Server 2012 today so that you can start getting familiar with the product. If you're interested in the entire private cloud solution set, also grab a copy of the System Center 2012 evaluation code so that you can start looking at that entire solution. Get some free training through Microsoft Virtual Academy. There's a link there for that as well, and then start taking advantage of some of the virtual labs that are out there on the virtual lab site off of TechNet. And with that, I want to thank you very much for your time, and also encourage you to go visit some of the other IT Camp recording sessions that are out there or that is out there. So take care.